In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create key events in Google Analytics. We'll walk through this step-by-step process to ensure that you have all the necessary data to make informed decisions about your website's performance. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we need to make sure the event you're interested in is already set up in your Google Analytics 4 property. To do this, navigate to the admin panel by clicking on the gear icon. It's located in the lower left corner of your Google Analytics dashboard. Once there, you'll see several options under the Property column. Click on Events. Now here's where you need to look for the event you want to designate as a key event. It could be anything like a purchase, form submission, or lead generation. Whatever is most critical for your data analysis. If you find your event listed there, you're all set to move on to the next step. However, if it's not showing up, don't worry. You have a couple of options to get it listed. First, you can trigger the event through your website manually. This could involve completing an action like filling out a form or making a test purchase. Alternatively, you can set it up using Google Tag Manager, which allows you to manage and deploy marketing tags on your website without modifying the code. Once you've ensured the event is visible, you can proceed with marking it as a key event. This is a crucial step because marking an event as key helps Google Analytics prioritize that particular event in its reports, and it becomes easier to track its performance over time. In the events list, locate the specific event you want to focus on. There should be a toggle switch next to the option that says Mark as Key Event. Simply switch this toggle to the On position. And there you have it. You've successfully marked your event as a key event in Google Analytics. This designation helps give you more insightful data by highlighting important interactions within your website. By doing so, you're now empowered to make more strategic decisions based on the key activities your users are engaged in. If at any point you want to designate more events or review the existing ones, just repeat these steps. It's a straightforward process, and once familiar, you'll be navigating Google Analytics with ease. And remember, accurately set up events are an essential part of understanding your audience and enhancing user experience. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or a developer, having these key events set up properly will provide you with a clearer picture of your site's effectiveness.